Welcome to first and only SaaS News Digest featured on LinkedIn, where I cover news, events, and updates that are happening in the SaaS community worldwide. Our first digest today covers Palantir Technologies and their recent winning of the deal with the US FDA. Palantir will help power drug reviews and inspections for the Food and Drug Administration. Their SaaS solution will integrate and analyze data from different branches of FDA, and it will be used in the approval of the drugs and to monitor the safety of the items like hand sanitizer. The contract length is for 3 years and is worth $44 million. It's also only one of the dozen of the contracts that Palantir has secured with various federal agencies in the recent years. Global government work now make up more than half of the Palantir total revenue. And since the pandemic began, they have also secured more than 100 deals with private companies, health networks, and government groups. And most recently, they announced that Palantir software will be powering the distribution of COVID-19 vaccines. Revenue from governments grew 68% to $163 million in just the third quarter. Stocks have surged over the last month and share price have more than tripled. Palantir went public in September, and at the same time, they've raised their revenue growth forecast for 2020 by 44%. That takes their forecast up to $1.7 billion for this year. The next digest takes a look at the importance of bundling and pricing up in the land of SaaS. And experts believe that SaaS products and sales leaders need to up their game when it comes to bundling and pricing strategies. These elements must be developed with such effort as the software itself. Many software companies are losing sales due to poorly designed bundling strategies. A recent report from Ernst & Young global study of 700 tech companies found that many of the top challenges relates to this issue. Respondents that were shifting to the subscription-based model had 3 primary issues. First, they were having difficulty adapting the pricing models. They were not successfully defining the solutions or integrated services, and they were not communicating a compelling value proposition to their customers. All of those issues touch on the importance of packaging design. Value propositions that meet the buyer's need to have to be reinforced through good packaging. In 2021, companies can improve revenue performance by spending more time thinking about their package market fit. And keep in mind that their products are redefined. Sales teams will need to be retrained. Our final digest today covers 3 things to think about when selling your SaaS offering up the market. Shifting to the enterprise sales is a natural next step for many successful SaaS products. And the first thing to consider when doing so is your solution's organizational value. These terms refer to many different use cases and needs versus just one individual use case. The more software, the value increases as more people use the product to collaborate and accomplish tasks. This is why many products are now offering team pricing plans with workflow features. And when the entire organization is using a specific solution, a network effect is created. This increases the value geometrically, multiplying users by the value of a single license. And if you're considering moving your SaaS offerings upmarket, make sure to think about what value it brings to the entire organization. The second thing to review when moving up the market is whatever your features are built for today or built for the future. Potential customers want to see your long-term vision. They want to know that you can help them today, but also in the future. You must maintain an informed, forward-thinking point of view on the market and how your solution fits in it. In addition to this, it is important for your features to emphasize stickiness, and this promotes retention and allows your product to become woven into the fabric of the enterprise. And finally, when considering moving up the market, make sure you have the right business model in place. Finding the right pricing model can be an incredible challenge, and you need to have a vast support of data to support your pricing scheme. And never forget that you need to maintain customer loyalty and satisfaction during your shift. Practice active listening and gather customer feedback at every step to make sure you are still maintaining their needs. This data will help you balance your strategic goals and determine how effective your transition is. So remain focused on your organizational value, future-proofing your features, and developing the right business model. These three critical elements, combined with good data tools, can help your SaaS offering make an important transition into the enterprise sales. I hope you enjoyed SaaS News Digest. The SaaS News Digest belongs to all of us and provides value to the members of our community because of you. So please click on like or insightful button, share the SaaS Digest on your LinkedIn page, and let's work together in developing this community and setting new SaaS global standards. My name is Artem Gassan. I'm the general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and my superpower is I invest and fuel growth and revenue for SaaS companies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.